In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Amazon shopping cart. Sharing items from your Amazon cart is a really handy way to get a second opinion, send gift ideas to friends or family, or simply keep everyone on the same page when you're planning a purchase together. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps, and I'll also point out a few things to watch out for so everything goes smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the correct account, especially if you use more than one, because the card is specific to each account. Once you're signed on Zani, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small cart icon, usually with a number that shows how many items you currently have in your cart. Click on that cart icon to open your shopping cart page. On this page, you'll see a list of all the items you've added. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific product you want to share. This process works item by item, so you'll be sharing a link to that individual product from your cart, not the entire cart as a bundle. When you've located the item you want to share, look around the bottom area of that product section. Depending on your device or browser size, you might need to scroll a little within the cart or let the page fully load. You should see a small hyperlink labeled Share. It can be easy to miss at first glance, so look carefully underneath or near the item details. Click on that share link. A pop-up window will appear with several sharing options. Typically, you'll see choices like email, Pinterest, Facebook, and X, as well as an option to copy the link directly. Choose the method that works best for you. If you pick email, Amazon will open a window where you can send the product link to someone's inbox. If you choose a social platform like Pinterest, Facebook, or X, you'll be able to post the item on your profile or in a message, depending on the platform's settings. If you select Copy Link, Amazon will copy a direct link to your clipboard, and you can paste it into a text message, chat app, or anywhere else you like. Once you've shared the link using your preferred option, you're done. That's all it takes to share an item from your Amazon shopping cart with someone else.